name is Keymee K. Just make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and let's go ahead and get into this wig review. So I'm going to be doing a wig sent to me from SamsBeauty, so thank you for sending me out this unit to review. As you can see, it's going to be Sensationnel's Butter Lace unit. It is the style loose curly 32-inch in the color 1B. So it has two combs on top, one comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then it has the pre-plucked hairline. The lace does go down from ear to ear. As you can see by my eye, all the way down to the ear. That's how much lace you are gonna get. So you can't do too much plucking over there on that side, but you do have some from my eye all the way up to the hairline area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by plucking this unit. I feel like these butter laces used to be a little bit plucked more, like right there in the crown area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck it a little bit more to my liking because I want it a little bit more plucked. And then I'm gonna pluck the parting space too. It was just a tad bit a little too tight. Maybe if I would have put my powder first, it wouldn't have been too tight, but it looked tight for me. After that, I'm putting the dry shampoo in. I felt like the wig was a little bit shiny, but it might have been because I have an extra light and it might have been making it feel shiny to me because I usually don't have to put dry shampoo, but I'm doing that right now. And then I did apply some foundation on the lace because y'all know this lace comes transparent. Once you apply any foundation, concealer, or whatever, the lace does blend right into the skin. And I like to cut my lace off first now, especially because this is basically like an L part. When you get these butter laces, it's nothing but an L part. You got lace in the front and then you got the lace part in the area. That's it. So as you can see, bam, it looks good on the skin. It does have that pre-plucked hairline, so you do kind of get the baby hairs already. That's what I'm trying to pull out, and then you do have the baby hairs in the front. Where I have it braided at, I was trying to think if I wanted to keep that hair, but I did just go ahead and pluck it out because I didn't want just a clean hairline. So I'm going to be using my Got to Be Glued in the black bottle. And I'm going to be putting one layer of that on the bottom. And then on top, I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued freezing spray in the yellow bottle. Y'all see how that melt? Butter lace always melts into the skin. I just feel like now my Got to Be Glued starting to look a little on the like shiny side. I didn't remember it used to be looking all that shiny. So I'm going to have to give me some even because I haven't tried it yet. Let me know which one I should get because they have the red bottle, the black bottle, the yellow bottle. I don't know which bottle to get. So yeah, now I'm just going ahead using that spray, putting that on top, and then I'm going to go ahead and tie that down and let it. I did use a blow dryer to cool it down. So I'm just taking my Beyond the Zone heat protecting spray to go ahead and spray my lace down so that I can use my hot comb. So my hot comb is on number 5, I do want to say. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press that out. I love to use the hot comb in the front just to get it a little bit smooth and silk down. Then taking this eyebrow razor to lay the baby hairs and the by the ears. What is that by the ear? The baby hair by the ear too, girl. I can't think of what it's called. I did use the Got to Be Glued to lay the baby hairs as well. And then I did cut my baby hair down on my sideburn. I did cut that down because it was a little bit too long. After that, I am taking my concealer. It's a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to put that on the parting space to go ahead and blend in my wig cap. And then I'm going to take some powder. There's also the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to put that on top to just conceal that powder also. I also take the Got to Be Glued freezing spray on top of the powder once I'm done, so that it can kind of melt it in place instead of it looking like cakey, almost, you know, looking like foundation on the scalp. So to go ahead in with my curls, as if you've been following me, you know I love to put water and gel in my curls. So I did put my water. I applied some olive oil moisturizer, and I'm using this Equal Styler gel. It's not the olive oil one, it's the castor oil, I think it is, and I prefer the olive oil one because I feel like the olive oil one kind of has like a stronger hold. For me, this one kind of just dries out, but this is how the hair looks once I did put that in. So to get in the hair, I love the curls on this unit. This unit is gonna be big head friendly. I didn't get shedding. I did get tangling. The tangling is the longer pieces that are on the bottom. They kind of something different kind of curl pattern, but overall this is a gorgeous unit. I did this pluck it to my liking and everything like that, so I will leave a link down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So thank you to SamsBeauty again for sending me out this gorgeous unit to review. Okay, make sure y'all check them out. Bye.